Welcome to another random video game repair episode, where we will hopefully fix something as a novice, as a beginner, as someone who is learning the ropes through every video game we repair one by one. Let's spin William, see what he says we'll work on, and go from there. Another Game Boy Advance game. Okay, sure, William. Why not? You certainly do like your Game Boy Advance games. Ba 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 ba. And the video game we will be working on is Madagascar for the Game Boy Advanced. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to what? Alright. We will test it out and see if it is working as intended, or not working as intended, rather. And see if we can figure out how to fix it. I've learned a new trick. If you turn off all the lights, you can actually see the screen. Game Boy logo, but no Nintendo logo. Let's try reseating it. And no Nintendo logo. Let's take a look. As always, these Game Boy Advance games use a Y screw. Open it up. Now you know the drill. When in doubt, clean it out. I like it too, the way you talk, your woman's man, no time to talk. Walk. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna go around and hurt you, never gonna tell a lie, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna go around and desert you. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. It just occurred to me, I know that most of you already know, but I'm using some Wyman Gloss Stove Top Cleaner. And we're gonna clean it off with some 91% isopropyl alcohol, and we should be good to go. One last test with a dry cotton swab. And that looks pretty darn good. I can't remember which game I'm working on right now. I'm blanking. Completely and totally. Does this happen to anybody else? It's like if Stanley has a mustache on The Office. What game is it? I can't remember. I honestly can't remember what game I'm working on, and I just started cleaning it. Oh my... How could I forget Madagascar? What the heck is going on over here? The cleaning fumes have gotten to me. Alright. That is looking rather nice, if I do say so myself. Shing, shing, shong. Alright, place your bets. You an optimist, a realist, or a pessimist? Personally, it depends on the situation. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to what? Move it. We're going for it. The hubris of us, earnestness. We're going for the confidence case screw. Look how that'll sound in editing. It's a Morocco now. Tactically reload our Game Boy Advance SP. Three, two, one. Ayo, Nintendo logo. And a boot screen. Madagascar, 2005. Oh yes, I forgot about a little trick. And let's see, can we edit this? Did that look cool? I don't know. Let's see, how do we look? Start game, view credits. Oh, let's view the credits. That's an insanely cool part of the game. All my homies want to read the credits. Yeah, okay. So start game and new credit and view credits. We're off to a good start, boys. All right. DLI or why did they 37%, 37%, 37%? Why 37%? Why each thing? Is it just like a stupid hard level? Daily grind. I have no idea. What is that picture? I can't even. Is that a picture of New York City or something? What is that? Is this like a I don't know, like a tree that's gone? What can you guys tell me what that is? I think it's a landscape photo or something. Oh, is that what's his face? Marty or whatever? Am I getting that right? Is it Marty? Is the zebra Marty? Yeah, I think the zebra is Marty, right? Welcome to Jurassic Park. To the Central Zoo Park. Yay. There's, what's his face? Why can't I remember stupid things like Tafusa are here? No, but I can't. Okay, and then the hippo's Gloria. And the giraffe is played by David Schwimmer. His name is Elroy Jackson. Melvin. His name is Melvin. I remembered. Melvin, that's the stupid name. What's the lion's name? The zebra's name is Marty. You got Melvin the giraffe, Gloria the hippo. I think it's Marty the zebra dude. What's his name? Kevin. Oh, what is your name? I can't remember the lion's name now. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, I'm sure it'll come to me like, 3 o'clock in the morning or something. What is that? You can roar? Look at the way he's walking. That just looks unnatural. Does the roar work on rats? What does the roar do? What is the purpose of the roar? Can you make a phone call? Oh, I already know this game's gonna be worthless. Ain't no way. There's barbed wire? I mean, to be fair, I've never been to New York. Maybe because somebody confirm that. Is there barbed wire at Central Park Zoo? I don't remember that in the movie. It's bugging me. I can't remember the stupid lion's name either. Because I can, you got the penguins, the skipper, Kowalski, Private. I am blanking. I need some Ginkgo Balboa or something. What do you mean you can't get in the water? How are you supposed to get the coin? It restarted all the way back. Oh, that's egregious. Oh my gosh, that is terrible. That is insane. The level of dedication you had to be back in the day, you know what I'm saying? Like, some poor child of, 2005 had to play this game, and did they enjoy it? Or did this the only game they had? It's like, I don't know. Okay, now, I'm gonna go ahead and check how much the game's worth on eBay, and then I'll look up the names, and then apparently I am losing my memory, so yeah. Well, I don't know what I'll do with this one. I don't know. At least, hey, it's legitimate. Nobody tried ripping this people off. Oh well. All right. Well, it's fixed. I mean, hey, I just got one thing more to say. Oh wait, no, I have to look up at the characters now. Hang on. After consulting with Hopeful Repair Sister, apparently, first off, we couldn't remember the fourth penguin, which is Rico. So it's Skipper, Private, Rico, and Kowalski. The hamster. No, the lion's name is Alex. How could I forget that? Now, one thing that she corrected me on, and maybe this has got to be Mandela. It's not Melvin, it's Melman. Okay, sure. Okay, yeah, fine. Some sort of Mandela effect there. I have 3 things left to say. Thank you for watching. As always, God bless. And I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to what?